Hey guys, yes, it's me. Welcome back to the channel, or welcome to the channel. So today, what you girl gonna be doing from the title, you understand what we're gonna be doing. Anyhow, let me talk about my hairstyle a little bit. Anyway, guys, yeah, I did my hair about what? This week is gonna be 2 weeks. I did it. Yeah, but it looks still already because it hitched me. So because I itch it, it kind of, a little bit fuzzy out, but nevertheless, yeah, this is what I'm rocking, just a little change because I got tired of that one hairstyle. Yeah, so what I'm gonna be doing is testing my cat if they will obey me if I tell them not to touch something, if they will touch it. What I'm gonna be using is a chicken bone. I'm gonna use a chicken bone. So, gonna see who listens and who don't listen. Okay, so stay tuned. Subscribe, guys. Like, what's going on over there? Yeah, guys. So stay tuned. Sarah, don't touch it. Leave it. Don't touch it. Leave it. Sarah, leave it. Sarah. Guys, that's a fail already. I thought she was a vegan cat. Alright, I'm gonna leave again. Sarah, don't touch it. Leave it. Don't touch it, okay? I'm gonna be back and I'm gonna give it to you, okay? Don't touch it. 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 Don't touch it, Sarah. Good girl. Come here. Good boy. No. I was gonna say don't touch it. I was gonna say don't touch it. Guys, look what is going on. I was gonna tell him don't touch it, and look what is going on. It's gonna stuck in his teeth. Big boy, did I give it to you? Did I give you that bone? I'm sure I didn't give it to you. I'm cracking up the bone. You're cracking up the bone, huh? And I didn't give it to you. The big boy, I didn't give it to you. Guys, you see these things? You see these things? This is a non-vegan cat, guys. You're going to choke yourself. So you stuck it in your teeth because you're greedy. You're not even sharing with your friend here. I was gonna say girlfriend, but it's not your girlfriend. It's just your friend. She's a girl and she's your friend. Guys, you see these things? My man clean off the bone. And I didn't give it to him. Give me this guy tough. Don't touch it. Anyway, guys, please like, comment, subscribe. This is the end of the video. This guy just stole my bone, but I ain't saying nothing to him. It's okay. It's okay. See you next time, guys. Peace. We out. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. Guys, see ya next time. Peace.